Welcome to Zion Food Trucks. On this very exciting day, we are shipping this beautiful food trailer, barbecue food trailer, out to South Dakota. It is a 20-foot trailer, and it's going to have a smoker in the back. Now the smoker is actually customer installed, so we actually prepared the legs for it, and we gave it to the customer. They have a local person who's going to install the smoker. But we obviously made the porch, which is 6 foot long, and we also installed a fan on the porch. Of course, check out this beautiful graphics on the outside. It's South Dakota themed, of course. Prairie to plate. It's got these heavy duty axles, twin axles that is, just like all food trucks and trailers we build. This one is, it's got the seamless skin. That is, if you look up close, there are no rivets. This makes the trailers much more long lasting, and the graphics on it, that is the wrap on it, lasts a lot longer. Of course, it's got an awning. That is a 5-foot awning in this case. 5-foot service window and awning, that is, with self-closing doors. The door in the back. Twin 40-pound tanks, which are in its own cages. As with all food trucks we build, it's got a power supply. There's shore power, a generator box with a door, and that houses a generator on its own slider. Let's go inside and see its many features. In this case, let's ingress from the back and egress from the front. Trailer is all stainless steel. Out in the back is a hot cabinet or a proofer. Idea is that when the ribs or other barbecue meats are cooked, you'll put them inside the proofer. Refrigerator right there, and a little refrigerator for sodas and that kind of stuff. This trailer will also have Espresso Machine and its own grinder, which is what this table is for. That is customer install. They have the Espresso Machine already. That is the LP range, which has 4 burners and a oven at the bottom. 24-inch griddle, LP of course, and that is the inside of the generator box. You can actually see the fire suppression on top. Fire suppression is plumbed directly into the hood as is required by code, and the hood in this case is 7 foot long. You can see, as with all food trucks and trailers we build, this one is all the equipment are bolted down to the floor with washers. Some particularly tall equipment, like the refrigerator, is also bolted down to the wall. This is so it doesn't fall off. The electrical in this thing, as with all our food trucks and trailers, all wiring is through conduits. And every piece of equipment has its own breaker. So in this case, the hot cabinet or the proofer dies, it's not going to take out the fridge. Inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood, and the floor is aluminum diamond plate. That is the self-closing window. Idea is you lift up, you need both hands of course. You lift up, you pass your product, and the doors close on themselves. Of course, except the walls are stainless steel, but where the panels intersect, you can see there are these trims that we install everywhere throughout the trailer. And this is why our trailers do not smell. So if these trims were not there, what would happen is that the grease wouldn't get between these panels, and over time starts to get rancid and will smell. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. Between the floor and the walls, you can actually see the rubber coving. Again, the idea is that when you mop, the water would not get between that and destroy the plywood inside. That's actually the wire that we provide with the trailer, so you can connect it to the generator or to your wall. That is in case you want to connect to 110. The ABC fire extinguisher, the K series fire extinguisher and the ABC fire extinguisher. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful trailer. If you have any questions or if you would like a trailer like this yourself, to contact us through our website, 20ft.foodtracks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.